Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. So today I am going to start with the physics chapter 17, that is stars and the solar system. Okay. So you know what do you mean by stars? Okay, which you see in the sky at night. Okay. So here we enjoy the night sky. You know, the sky is full of stars. So there you can enjoy the beauty of the sky. You can see some stars are much brighter than others. Okay. Apart from stars, you see some bright objects also, but not twinkling like stars. What are those? Can you guess, children, what are those? Those are nothing but the planets. Okay, so you see planets, star, satellites, everything in the sky. Okay. So planets do not glow on their own. They reflect the light of sun. So you know what do you mean by luminous and non-luminous objects? Luminous are nothing but the objects which are having their own light. Non-luminous means which do not have their own light. Those are called as non-luminous. Okay. So when you see at the sky on a dark or clear night, you see the entire sky dotted with the countless stars. Some are bright and some not so bright. Okay. So they will not appear, they will not twinkle. All will not twinkle. Okay, some will twinkle. Those who twinkle are stars. Which do not twinkle, those are called as planets. So the moon is the brightest object in the night sky. Okay, so have you seen the moon, children? So do you find the moon in some same shapes in all the days? Means throughout the month? No. So you will be observing the shape of the moon will be changing day by day. Okay, day by day. Why it happens so? For that we study the topic called phases of moon. Okay. The study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called astronomy. In ancient India, our ancestors performed methodical observations of sky. Their knowledge of astronomy was highly advanced for their time. Okay. So these were often used by people in their day-to-day conduct and better understanding of climate and rainfall patterns for timely sowing and choice of crops, fixing the dates of season and festival. Because in early days we were not having the clocks to see the time and all. By seeing the sun and all, they used to judge the time. They used to guess the time. Okay, what is the time now? So by seeing that all, they used to fix the dates or the time to sow the seeds and all. They used to predict the season also by seeing that. So, some observations of celestial objects and many other things also we can learn in this lesson. Okay. Children, is there a change in the shape of the moon every day? Yes, I told you all. There are some changes in the moon. Day by day, the shape of the moon will be changing. So, when the shape of the moon appears to be perfectly round, okay, perfectly round. So the day on which the whole disk of the moon is visible is known as a full moon day. What it is called as? Full moon day. Thereafter, every night, the size of the bright part of the moon appears to become thinner and thinner. On the 15th day, the moon is not visible. This day is known as a new moon day. Okay, the next day, only a small portion of the moon appears in the sky. Okay, then again the moon grows larger every day. On the 15th day, once again we get a full view of moon. So the various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month are called as phases of the moon. So phases of the moon play an important role in our social life. So according to the phases of moon, for example, Diwali is celebrated on the new moon day, Buddha Purnima, Guru Nanak's birthday, or these are all celebrated on full moon day. Mahashivratri is celebrated on 13th night of waning moon. Okay, Eid ul Fitr is observed on the day following the sighting of crescent moon. So like this is called a how you'll understand this. So just you can see the page number 217 in your textbook. How the moon is visible due to the reflected sun. When the sun falls on the moon, means which part it falls, no, that part will be brighter. So remaining part will be dark. So you have studied the chapter 6 that moon does not produce its own light, whereas the sun and other stars do. So we see the moon because the sunlight falling on it gets reflected. So that time only we can see that. So you have studied in the light lesson also. When the light falls on the object, then only we are able to see that object. Right, children? I told you all. Isn't it? So like this only, when the sun rays are fallen on the moon, that time only we can reflect the moon. The light of the sun is reflected towards us. Okay. So this is how the moon is visible due to the reflection of the sun. Okay. Now, can you guess some relative positions of the sun, moon, the earth on the day of the full moon and the day of the new moon? Okay. So the size of the illuminated part of the moon visible from the earth increases each day after the new moon. After the full moon day, the sunlit part of the moon visible from the earth decreases in size every day. Okay, so the moon completes one rotation on its axis as it completes one revolution around the earth. In Kannada, we tell it as Hunime and Amavasya. Amavasya, we cannot see that moon. Okay, only on the Hunime we can see that. Again, after 15 days, Amavasya will come. It is not seen. Again, after 15 days of Amavasya, the Hunime will come. Okay, so that time we can see the moon. So like that, it completes one revolution. Okay, 15 days once it completes its revolution. Okay, so this is the phases of the moon. So like that, how the days are passing, like that the moon will be changing its shapes. Okay, the moon is a fascinating object for poets and storytellers. But when the astronauts landed on the moon, they found that the moon surface is dusty and barren. So there are many craters of the different sizes. It also has a large number of steep and high mountains. Some of these are as high as the highest mountain on the earth. So the moon has no atmosphere. It has no water. So life cannot exist on the moon. So we cannot live on the moon. There is no atmosphere and there is no water also. Okay, this is all about the moon, children. In the next class, I am going to continue with the other topic. Okay.